Sweet blessings coming to you with a sweet Ganesh message. Found this guy up under the porch here. And it has, a little Velcro. Ganesh is the remover of all obstacles. And it has a little Velcro here, which, someone had a stick on their dashboard. And then I look up there and I realize, where's Snoopy? Because I had a Snoopy, the bobblehead Snoopy, and he's gone. And I didn't, I was like, oh, I'll put him up by Snoopy, and Snoopy's not even there. And it's like, how long has Snoopy been gone? How long have I outgrown those old ideas without even realizing it? Right? That's the message I'm, anyhow, that's the message today. Hope you're doing great. You never know what you might find out there, hiding, waiting for you. Blessings.